Morning students, take your social studies book, page number 109, chapter 18. The name of the chapter is Our Rich Heritage. So last class we have discussed about religions, Hinduism, Jainism and Buddhism. Let us recollect some of the points from the last class. Religions. India is a spiritual land of various religions. Throughout the history of India, religion has been an important part of the history of country culture. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, these are all major religious traditions. A vast majority of Indians associated themselves with their religions only. Even the Constitution of India also declares the right to freedom of religion as a fundamental right. Today we have a wide range of religions are practiced in India. Next, Hinduism. Hinduism. It is the one of the oldest religion. So the majority of the people in India practice Hinduism, and it is considered as one of the oldest religion in the country. Bhagavad Gita is the holy books of Hinduism. Next, Buddhism and Jainism. Lord Buddha preached Buddhism and Mahavira propagated Jainism. So both preached ahimsa, opposed the caste system also. They believed in both Jainism and Buddhism believe in attaining enlightenment through love, kindness and wisdom. So today we are going to learn about Islam, Christianity and Sikhism. Let us start the class. Islam was founded about 1500 years ago by Prophet Muhammad, who was born in Mecca, Arabia. So look at this picture. This is the picture of Mecca picture. So here Islam was founded. In this Mecca only Islam was founded about 1400 years ago by Prophet Muhammad, who was born in Mecca. Prophet Muhammad was born about 1500 years ago in Mecca. Where it is there Mecca? It is in Saudi Arabia. It is in Saudi Arabia. Okay, the followers of Islam are called Muslims. So the followers, those who are followers of Islam, they used to call Muslims. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Underline this point. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Who was the founder of the Islam? Prophet Muhammad. So Islam was founded about 1400 years ago by Prophet Muhammad. He was born in Mecca. Who? Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca. Where it is there Mecca? It is in Saudi Arabia. So the followers of Islam are called Muslims. Holy books of the Muslims is Quran. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Prophet Muhammad brought the message of peace and universal brotherhood to the people of Arabia. So he gave the message to people of Arabia. What? Peace and brotherhood. Muhammad brought the message of peace and universal brotherhood to the people of Arabia. The religion spread to many countries of the world, including India. According to census 2001, the Muslims form around 13% of the population of India. So this Islam religion is spread over not only in India, in other countries also. According to census 2001, the Muslims form around 13,000 of so 13 percentage of the population in India Muslims. The Muslims represent the majority in Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep, and high concentrations in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, and Kerala. So these Muslim people, they have to majority of the people live in Jammu and Kashmir. In our India, what are the states? Lot of Muslims are represent the majority in Jammu and Kashmir. Lot of Muslims, Lakshadweep. and in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, even Assam also, and Kerala. All these states, Muslim population is more. Some of the major festivals celebrated by the Muslims in India are Eid and Muharram. Okay, so these two are important. Eid in Ramjan also they used to tell. Eid, Eidullah, Juha and Muharram. So these three festival is very important for major festivals. Like we have that Diwali. Okay, like that they also have some important major festivals celebrated by the Muslims in India. Eid, Muharram. Okay, so please underline this one. So Islam was founded about 1400 years by Prophet Muhammad. Those who are followers of Islam called Muslims. Quran is the holy books of the Muslims. So Muhammad gave the message to the people, peace and universal brotherhood to the people of Arabia. So lot of Muslims, majority of the Muslims live in Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep and states, concentration in the states wise, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Kerala. Major festivals, Eid, Muharram and Ramjan. Is it clear? Now we will see Christianity. Look at this image. Who is he? You know very well. Jesus Christ. So Jesus Christ was born more than 2000 years ago in Palestine. He founded the religion named after him. His teachings are contained in the holy book called the Bible. He taught love and forgiveness to mankind. So Christianity, as you know very well, Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem. He thought that all men are brothers because they are the children of the same God. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Jesus Christ taught love and forgiveness to mankind. The Christians constitute about 2.3% of the total population in our country. So in our country, total population 2.3 percentage. So majority Hindu people, then 2.3% Christians are there. They comprise a majority. So majority of the people living in Nagaland, Mizoram and Meghalaya and have significant population in Northeast India, Goa and Kerala. Christmas is the major festival of Christians. So underline this one. Christmas is the major festivals of Christians. So Christians peoples are majority people living in Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya. You know very well Meghalaya. Then Northeast, all Northeast India, Christians. Majority of the people are Christians only. Goa and Kerala. Christmas is the major festival of Christians. Is it clear? Now we will see Sikhism. Look at this image. What is this image? This is the Golden Temple. Where it is there? Golden Temple. It is in Amritsar. Have you ever seen Golden Temple? Or have you ever visited this temple? Let us see. Sikhism began in the 16th century in North India with the teachings of Guru Nanak and the 9 successive Gurus. Guru Nanak was born in Talwandi, now it is called Pakistan. His teachings are contained in the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs. Guru Nanak opposed casteism and taught us to love each other. So Sikhism was began in 16th century in North India. So who was the founder of Sikh religion? Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev was the founder of the Sikh religion. Actually Guru Nanak Dev was born about 500 years ago. He preached, Guru Nanak Dev preached that God is one and all people are his children. He was followed by 9 more Gurus. His teachings are contained in the Guru Granth Sahib, that is the holy books of Sikhs. Underline that one. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy books of Sikhs. Guru Nanak also opposed casteism and he taught us to love each other. The Sikhs constitute about 2% of the total population of India. Punjab is the spiritual home of the Sikhs and it is the only state in India where the Sikhs form a majority. There are also significant population of the Sikhs in neighboring New Delhi and Haryana. So Sikh people here 2% of the population in India. Punjab is the spiritual home of the most of the people in from Punjab only in this state only the entire Sikhs form a majority. There are also significant population mainly where New Delhi and Haryana. So is it clear? So today we have learned Islam, Christianity and Sikhism in this class. I hope you all understood. Meet you in the next class. Till then, revise the chapter. Talk. Thank you. Have a nice day.